You ready to go all the way downstairs, Soup? Let's do it. Ready, Soup? Okay, let's go.
Where's my goodnight kiss, Kylo? Where is it? Okay, thank you. You can go. Yeah, that's it. That's enough. Just one's enough. Just one's enough.
Bed.
Coater, I want pasta. That joke was really funny. Oh no, I'm hungry. Ha ha.
Water, earth, fire, air.
I'm laying in the bed right now and I'm just like, maybe I should get out the bed and go do something off the bed, but I realize if I get off the bed, I'm gonna be out there doing nothing when I could just be doing nothing in bed.
Lucky, it's fine.
Lucky, no.
Lucky, stop. Lucky. Lucky, stop. See, it's a screen. It's okay.
So alarmed.
Heidi, what did you do? Oh, Heidi, girl.
Each of my 4 cats has a totally different voice.
Can I have that? What is it? Can I please? What is that? Oh. Oh. Oh, it's a chicken. Okay.
Yo, why is he looking at me like that? What's up, little bud? Got a staring problem, pal?
I noticed some of you were impressed with my ability to check emails. But I don't just check the emails. I also keep up to date with the stock exchange. I'm learning Chinese with Duolingo. I like to draw pictures to relax.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Stella. Happy birthday to you.